Welcome to Citi Market Watch, where we concisely unpack all you need to know on important topics. Joining me, Audrey Cheong, Citigold Private Client Portfolio Counsellor.
Things are getting interesting.
I certainly think they are. Most importantly, President Xi Jinping was re-elected for a third term in this last week's 20th NPC, or National Congress.
Well, it would appear the China freight train is finally leaving the station.
Yes, for China investors or watchers, these last few years have been a very long and painful wait, which reminds me of a recent quote from Howard Marks. If you wait at a bus stop long enough, you're guaranteed to catch a bus. But if you run from bus stop to bus stop, you may never catch a bus. Audrey, what should we focus on?
Well, there is a lot to get excited on. But when you think about Asia and China, the broad strokes are, we are in the midst of a reopening post-COVID. Inflation isn't a significant headwind as it is in the US and other developed economies. We see valuations down, close to 2 standard deviations or decade-plus lows. Prices are down significantly from the highs. And as you just noted, we are moving past significant political milestones that the market has been anticipating. But in terms of markets and investing, I'm most excited on Asia technology.
I think so. Asia technology is really the fulcrum for so many things. When you think about the application of semiconductors, big data, AI, it really is pervasive. The acceleration we are expecting in renewable energy, especially with the increased policy alignment this year. China's quest for chip supremacy, the drive for more automation and robotics from healthcare to EVs, the smart city, which we talked about before, the evolution of the cloud and platforms, the future of Web 3.0 and the metaverse, and even blockchain technology. All of this and more is reliant or being driven by Asian technology and innovation. Audrey, as you can tell, I am really talking about semiconductors.
It wasn't half of years. But that said, through and post-COVID, with all these supply chain disruptions, there has been a strong narrative around deglobalization or localization, onshoring, reshoring, and even friendshoring.
Indeed, and geopolitics has really pushed this narrative too.
Yes, all that hasn't helped. But the key issue actually is any form of localization in the near future, and hence the effort to replicate all the critical and unique technological elements of the semiconductor process anywhere but Asia is simply too expensive, if not impossible. This is about cost, it's about technology constraints, and also people talent constraints.
So why is semiconductor technology so special?
San, there's a lot to talk about. But aside from technology moving very fast, it really is a business that has very high barriers to entry. And the cost to set up a semiconductor foundry is estimated at well over $10 billion. And in addition to costs, the process is unique and specialized. For example, with the wafer fabrication equipment, technologies like EUV lithography, ion implantation, etching, and even inspection and defect detection are all very specialized.
Thanks, Audrey. You have me curious and intrigued already. As we have noted in previous episodes, technology is intertwined and pervasive across every sector, industry, and theme. And at the heart of it, semiconductors are the engine and engines that make our connected world increasingly amazing. But this is just, again, the tip of the iceberg. The application of chips and Asia technology, the growth of China and other Asian markets, the emergence of new Asian technology champions. This is all very exciting. Please do listen to our podcast where we will dive deeper into these details. And please speak to your Citigold or Citigold Private Client Relationship Manager for further opportunities.